Greetings and welcome to the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, delighted to have you with us as we explore today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we curate business news from the best newswires, bringing you the most relevant updates. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up. While AI assists in producing this podcast and generating the voices, the news stories are all real. You can read the full articles on newsramp.com. Today is Tuesday evening, June 3rd, 2025, and we have a great mix of finance headlines lined up for you. So whether you're on the go, working out, or just relaxing, stay with us as we get started. Here's our first headline. Beeline Holdings Inc., BLNE, is one to watch. Beeline Holdings Inc., trading on NASDAQ under the symbol BLNE, has achieved significant milestones, surpassing $1 billion in loan originations and experiencing 38% year-over-year growth in 2024. The company's platform caters to the gig economy, offering mortgage options for millennials. Beeline utilizes innovative technology like AI chatbot Bob and BlinkQC to streamline the lending process. Strategic partnerships with platforms such as Rabu and Red Awning enhance Beeline's position in the market. The company's leadership team brings expertise in real estate, fintech, and AI. Beeline is focused on simplifying home financing through its digital lending ecosystem. After merging with Eastside Distilling in October 2024, Beeline is solidifying its position as a next-generation fintech mortgage originator.
Crypto News breaks Traders Fair 2025 to spotlight financial excellence innovation in Johannesburg. Traders Fair South Africa is scheduled for Saturday, September 20th, 2025, at the Protea by Marriott Hotel Johannesburg Wanderers in Sandton. The event offers local traders, investors, and finance enthusiasts a full day of learning, networking, and industry insights. Attendees can expect seminars from industry experts, an exhibition of top financial companies and technologies, and the Traders Awards recognizing excellence in trading and finance. With a lucky draw and prizes, it's a great opportunity to gain knowledge, make connections, and celebrate the future of finance. Early registration is advised due to limited space. For more details, visit www.tradersfair.com or contact info@tradersfair.com. Bruce A. Watterson joins Peapack Private Bank and Trust. Bruce A. Watterson has joined Peapack Private Bank and Trust as a Senior Managing Director, Managing Group Director in the Commercial Banking Division. With over 40 years of banking experience, Bruce previously worked at Flagstar Bank and Citigroup Private Bank. He holds a degree in finance and accounting from Pace University and is involved in various Long Island community organizations. Peapack Gladstone Financial Corporation, the bank's holding company, offers client-centric banking solutions with assets of $7.1 billion. Peapack Private Bank and Trust provides wealth management, investment banking, and personal banking services, focusing on client service and innovative solutions.
SLR Credit Solutions appoints Taylor Stewart as Director of Origination. SLR Credit Solutions, a leading provider of direct private credit solutions for middle-market businesses, has appointed Taylor Stewart as Director of Origination. With over 12 years of industry experience, Taylor brings expertise in originating, structuring, and underwriting credit facilities for middle-market companies. Taylor joins from PNC Business Credit, where he covered sponsors and intermediaries in the Northwest region. Previously, Taylor worked at Wells Fargo Capital Finance. According to Tanner Pfeiffer, SMD Head of Originations, Taylor will contribute to delivering innovative secured debt financings across various industries. SLR Credit Solutions, a portfolio company of SLR Capital Partners, focuses on originating, underwriting, and managing asset-based and cash flow financings for middle-market companies, with over $4 billion in secured debt commitments provided since 2006. Advyzon appoints Clark Richards as Vice President of Client Success. Advyzon, a comprehensive technology platform for financial advisors, has appointed Clark Richards as Vice President of Client Success. Richards will lead client-facing teams, emphasizing excellence in customer service. With over 14 years of experience in client relationship management, Richards' leadership will support Advyzon's commitment to seamless user experiences. His background includes roles at Envestnet, Tamarack, and Juniper Square, focusing on client retention and growth strategies. Advyzon's CEO, Hailin Lee, is excited to welcome Richards, noting his alignment with the company's mission. Advyzon's dedication to client service has been recognized by American Banker, naming them one of the best places to work in Fintech 2025. Sales of hybrid vehicles are rising while PHEV EV sales stagnate. Analysis by Ward's Intelligence shows that hybrid vehicle sales in the U.S. are on the rise, while sales of battery electric vehicles, BEVs, and plug-in hybrid vehicles, PHEVs, have stagnated. In Q1 2025, BEVs, hybrids, and PHEVs made up around 22% of light-duty car sales, up from 18% in the same quarter in 2024. With the Trump administration considering halting federal EV tax credits, more American drivers may opt for more affordable hybrids over premium BEVs and PHEVs. These market shifts pose challenges for EV industry players like Mullen Automotive Inc., NASDAQ MULN, who will need to adapt to changing consumer preferences. Macquarie Capital names Sean Yajnik head of Digital Infrastructure Advisory, Americas. Macquarie Capital has appointed Sean Yajnik as head of Digital Infrastructure Advisory, Americas. In this role, Mr. Yajnik will lead the expansion of Macquarie Capital's digital infrastructure advisory business in the Americas, working with corporate and financial sponsor clients on M&A, capital raising, and debt advisory initiatives. With nearly 2 decades of experience in digital infrastructure advisory, Mr. Yajnik joins Macquarie Capital from TD Securities. His expertise in data centers, consumer broadband, enterprise fiber, and wireless infrastructure will be valuable in this role. Macquarie Capital's head of Infrastructure Advisory Americas, Rob Valentine, praised Mr. Yajnik's track record and network of relationships, highlighting the exciting addition to the team. Yajnik expressed his enthusiasm for joining Macquarie Capital, emphasizing the company's strong advisory capabilities and global presence in the infrastructure sector. Macquarie Capital is a top-ranked infrastructure advisor globally, with recent accolades including #1 Global Infrastructure Financial Advisor and America's Infrastructure Deal of the Year. Amsterdam to host 10th Global Gen AI and HyperAutomation in Finance Summit on June 11, 2025. The 10th Global Gen AI and HyperAutomation in Finance Summit is scheduled for June 11, 2025, at the Park Plaza Victoria in Amsterdam. Hosted by Kinfos Events, the summit will bring together over 150 senior executives and technology leaders from the banking, insurance, and fintech sectors to discuss the impact of generative AI and hyperautomation on finance. Amsterdam's reputation as a financial hub makes it an ideal location for these discussions. The event will feature keynote presentations, panel discussions, and real-world case studies focusing on AI-driven innovations in finance. For more information and registration, visit the Kinfos Events website.
Mining News Select Australia event, set to deliver important connections for metals resource opportunities. Mining professionals and trade investors can explore top resources at the Mining News Select Australia event in July. Aspermont, a leading global resource media services provider, has organized this event to showcase under-the-radar opportunities. For more information and registration, visit the event website. InvestorWire, a specialized communications platform, offers advanced press release syndication for companies and the investment community. With access to a vast network of wire solutions, article syndication, press release enhancement, social media distribution, and tailored corporate communication solutions, InvestorWire helps companies reach a wide audience and increase brand awareness. Learn more at InvestorWire.com. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.